Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here, and we got another vehicle for you for our May 24th, 2023 online auction. This is a government surplus boom truck used for the tree service. I'm just going to put the camera down and go show you that boom is working. I'm going to put it away. The dump body on the back, I don't know how to get the controls to actually get it to dump. The pump engages, but I don't know how to release the dump thing. I know I've got to have the boom up so that it'll dump, but maybe I'm doing it wrong. Not sure. I might have to have the boom twisted 90 degrees. So I'm going to set this down and adjust the camera so that you can see all the operations, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so this is a 2007 Freightliner, Mercedes powered. I'm just putting my tripod down a little bit here. Raise my outriggers. It's got a big winch on the front, big PTO winch. I did have that working here a minute ago. Just a sec here. Want to make sure I don't forget to do a few things here. Like I said, the raise and lower the dump body lever is right here, but I'm not sure. There's a dump body lock valve here, and I'm not sure how to release that. I'm sure that has something to do with where the boom is positioned. But anyways, I will just go and show you the winch here operating. There, I pulled it out some. Excuse me. So it's a Freightliner business class M2. It's got a VersaLift aerial man bucket on it. I'll just kind of go through. Interior looks to be in pretty decent condition. You'd have to look at the pictures or read the description, sorry, to know what the engine is, but it is a Mercedes diesel. There's a work spotlight there, all remote control from inside. Flashing oranges there. Just gonna keep going to the back. Single door, double door compartment, sorry, right here. This one here is a through compartment. Fire extinguisher, emergency supplies. Tires are in really good shape. 11R225s, BFGs. Appear to be really good condition. Again, like I said, she's designed to tow a chipper. Chipper is not included, obviously. So, orange arrow board on the back. I'll just show you the box interior. And then I'll go and let you see that motor. Sorry if these videos are a little bit long. I am not a video editor. I am an auctioneer. And you know, to try and show you guys the quality of these machines, we take these videos. So here, I'll just let you listen to the motor now. Says engine serial number, and then rated 210 horsepower at 2200 RPM. A little label there I just seen. I'll put the hood back down. Climb inside. So okay, just give me a second here. I just want to disengage that PTO. Engine brake off. So total hours on the machine is 12,840 hours. 107,931 kilometers. It's a 6-speed standard transmission. I'll let you look at that for a second. Front axle rated 12,000 pounds. Rear axle rated at 21,000 pounds. There we go there. Looks like the ABS light is still illuminated on the instrument cluster. But overall, you know, it looks like a great vehicle. This is a government surplus, so came from one of the local municipalities, so well maintained. Be sure to read all the information and look at all the pictures that we put online. I'm just going to zoom into that Kova. So this is selling on May the 24th, 2023. We are All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia, and we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. And the best thing about it, highest bid wins. So if you're the highest bidder, you are the winner. Hope you get another bye-bye auction. Good luck.